Hi, brother. How are you?
I am very well, bro. I am delighted today because what happened with me. I narrate a story, and I wrote a story, and it is related to ghost, like it kind of horrify story, which
Mhm.
was written by me.
Oh, I see. So you are writer.
No, no, I am
I,
not a writer, but I love writing. So I love writing and I love listening. So whatever I listen, then I take down, I take a paper, then I take down my thoughts on the paper.
wow, that's great, man. So, like, what kind of story you try to write? Like,
Yeah,
any love
yeah,
story, any
today-
action, in
yeah.
what kind of like nature? Yeah.
No, no, no. Actually, today I wrote a story. I tell you what is exactly happened with me yesterday. Okay, it is a story. Okay, bro. And actually, yesterday I was alone at my home, man, and suddenly the doorbell was rang. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
and as I opened the door, and I saw there was there was no person outside the door. Then I closed my door. Then as I went to my bed, I heard a horrified sound, and which was coming from another room. And then I went towards the next room, where was the coming where the sound was coming from that room. then i then I entered into that room. I saw
Mm-hmm.
there was a girl, and who was she was singing and dancing. So I asked him that, who are you and what's going on here? Then
Oh
he
my.
said, oh,
Uh-huh.
this is my home and all like that. And I got rented over there. Then you know and then I when I came back on unconscious mind. Then I told my mother, mom, it happened with me yesterday, so I don't want to live alone at my home. And I told everything like that. Okay.
Oh, I see. Oh my God! Like you dreamed, you dream in an previous last night, I think. Previous night,
Okay,
am I
yeah.
right?
Actually, it is not a true story. I wrote whatever I thought. I wrote down.
Oh, I see. Like this is only for story. I thought like
Yeah,
you dream. Okay,
yeah,
okay.
yeah.
Great,
It is not.
great.
Yeah.
So like, are you regular write something and just like suddenly your mind say that like just write some story.
No, actually, you know, I write on a daily basis. Whenever I go to bed, and before going to bed, I take a paper. I take white paper, and then I write down whatever I do activity, and sometimes I pick up any stories like that tree. Why it is important for human being. Then
Mhm.
I write down the stories. And I write down some like motivational things like that. If I do great things like the yoga, why it is important, like that, man.
Yeah, that's great. You have an amazing talent, brother. We can say, like, about explaining in a writing pen and paper, we can say whatever you think, immediately just write your story. This is great thing, brother. Just
Yeah,
keep
yeah.
going.
And I
If you
think
passionate
I think
about, then
Mhm.
please try to make a career because whenever
Mhm.
we try to love anything, we can say like cricket, writing, movie, hobby.
Mhm.
If you passionate about this thing, brother, then try to fulfill your dream.
Yeah, you can say it is my hobby, bro. Because
Yeah,
whatever I think, I take down, because I love writing, man. I love writing because it can be enhanced my communication and thinking power as well, right?
yeah, right, absolutely right, brother. Whatever you thinking, you try to mention your paper. So this is great
Mhm.
thing. We can say whenever we try to write anything, we visualize that moment like, is this true or not? Immediately we
Mhm.
think of in front of this is story going
Mhm.
on. This is great
Mhm.
thing and great way to learning something about
Mhm.
communication, about learning, about speaking. So this is
Mhm.
perfect way, you know do like
Yeah, yeah.
writing. So you are doing great, sir. You are doing great.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. Thank you, bro. Thank you for praising me, bro. Actually, bro, communication skill. Yeah, it is important, but we do have also extra things like related to communication. Yeah, it can be increased by speaking. I know, but sometimes if you narrate a story, then you have to know about how to narrate a story. So that is why I'm doing that.
Oh, I see. That's good. So by the way, within a day, we can say per day, how many story you wrote, you write yourself?
Yeah, yeah. Actually,
Yeah.
bro, actually, bro, I random pick the story, then I write it. Okay. Suppose that right now I am thinking that yesterday I went to the party and I was invited in a wedding party and who was my friend and if I was in the party and I saw there were a lot of people but who were not taking precaution because during the pandemic the government and announced that everyone and should take precaution because the coronavirus is increasing day by day. So I came to know towards my friends and then I asked that why are they are not taking precaution because you are they are invited by you. Okay, I know. Yeah, it is good, but there are a lot of people who are not taking precautions, so maybe they can be affected with the coronavirus, right? So I think
Yeah.
you should tell them and take precaution and all. Then then he went to the towards the person and who that person said that yes, okay, yeah, we should take precaution, then they are aware of that coronavirus. Okay, then I had
Yeah.
dinner and there were a lot of people and there were a different type of food and I had it, I enjoyed, and I told my friend and he asked me to dance, then I started dancing with song and yeah, I loved enjoyment and it was getting late, so my mother and she was calling me again and again. Then I told my friends that bro, it was getting dark, so I have to go right now. Then he said okay man, okay. Then reaching my home and suddenly opened my younger brother and then he asked me a lot of things about related to party. Then I told everything.
Oh, I see. That's good, man. Seriously, I learned from your side one thing, brother. Like you
Yeah,
have a habit to whatever you think, immediately
yeah,
try to write in your books, in your notebook. We can say this is, good thing, brother. And
yeah, yeah,
definitely this thing will be help you in your future.
yeah.
And
Thank you, bro.
I have a one idea, brother. I learned from your side. Like I want to also start writing because
Yeah, yeah.
you told me like whenever we start whatever we think about, if we try
Mm-hmm,
to like write something, then we will think about forever whatever I
mm-hmm,
write. So
mm-hmm.
we can learn this thing. So this is great thing, and thank you very much, brother, for suggesting me. This is great idea. I will
Yeah,
definitely
yeah. And
apply for my.
I think you should do that, bro, because
Yeah.
communication skill, it can be it can be increased through the writing and through the speaking and through
Yeah.
the watching. Yeah, right.
But brother, by the way, like, what about your English journey? Like, why
Oh,
you?
actually, yeah, I'll
Yeah,
tell you, bro. You know, actually, there was a story behind it, bro. Why did I started learning English, bro? Right? And actually, there were some people, and you can say, and I I used to go library in order to study because I was preparing for government examinations. Right now, I don't study these days. I don't know why. Okay, so there were some people and they were talking in English, right? So I was stupid there. I don't know what they were talking about it. So I couldn't understand. Then I asked one of the person and then I asked her and he told and then I asked him, why are you talking in English, because I couldn't understand what are you talking about it. And he said,
yeah,
oh, you don't know how to learn English, then you don't know how to speak English, then you go first learn the language, then you stand with us. Then from there, then I said, okay man, it is a language, everyone can learn it, bro, everyone can speak English. Okay, Okay, then I started my journey from there, and right now I can speak better than before, bro.
Yeah, brother, I can see your English is fantastic and you're doing great work, man. See, brother, like sometime, sometime we get a trouble whenever we insult ourselves. That moment we will realize like this is, important for me
Mhm,
about language. So we can
mhm,
say insulting is very important. You told me your
mhm,
stories. It's happened with me also, brother. Same thing. That's why
mhm,
reason like learning a English language. So
mhm.
insult is very important to language, brother.
Yeah,
Seriously,
yeah, yeah,
insult
bro. I took.
yourself, then
Yeah,
you
yeah.
will
I.
learn.
Mhm.
Yeah, tell
Sorry
me.
for interrupting you, bro. I was insulted by by those people, but I
Yeah,
took a positive way. I took positive way. Yeah, I have to learn this language anyhow, and then I learn it, bro. It may be that if I was insulted, if I was not insulted over there, then I will definitely I don't know have a skills right away, right?
yeah, right. Absolutely, this is right, brother. And like already you feel that moment you felt like, oh my God, why they talk about I don't know English. I want to learn English. That
Yeah,
moment
yeah,
you generate your positivity. We can say no, like I want to learn English, then I will prove for my
yeah,
friend
yeah,
like I was not
yeah.
wrong.
Yeah,
English
the
just a
comedy part
language.
is that,
Everyone
bro.
can learn English language.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. The comedy part is that I met the same guy 3 weeks ago, and he was telling me that, yeah, your English is too good, man. Before, I'm sorry for about, see, he asked me for forgiveness. I told them, bro, don't ask for forgiveness. You are my just friend, and I consider you are my friend. And okay, don't tell me like
What
this. And I am very appreciate you. You tell me, you insulted me at that day. That's why I am learning English, and right away I can speak English because of you.
Yeah, you should talk, you should say that thank you very much, brother, for insulting me that moment. That's why reason I able to talk in front of you right now. you know
Mhm.
so your friend he just feel to like, oh my God, seriously I was wrong. Like
Yeah,
English just a language, not insult him,
yeah,
then he will
yeah,
never
yeah,
realize, like, yeah.
yeah,
So
yeah. But
finally you learn one lesson, brother, like. Hmm?
mhm.